Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Abbas, and today we're bringing you the latest updates on Hurricane Milton. This powerful storm is rapidly closing in on Florida, and thousands of residents are fleeing the area as they brace for its impact. Let's dive into what you need to know. As of this morning, Hurricane Milton has strengthened to a Category 4 storm, packing winds of up to 140 miles per hour. The National Hurricane Center has issued warnings across the southeastern U.S., particularly for Florida's Gulf Coast. Evacuation orders have been issued in several counties, and thousands of residents are heeding the advice, heading inland to seek safety. The storm is expected to make landfall within the next 24 hours. Right now, Floridians are rushing to prepare. Shelves are emptying in stores, and lines for gas stations stretch for miles. Many are boarding up their homes, packing essentials, and evacuating to shelters. Emergency services are on high alert, with over 5,000 National Guard troops activated and utility companies preparing for widespread power outages. Hurricane Milton is not only bringing strong winds, but also a dangerous storm surge. Coastal areas could see water levels rise 10 to 15 feet above normal, which poses a significant threat of flooding. Authorities are warning that this storm surge could be life-threatening, especially in low-lying areas. If you're in the path of the storm, now is the time to act. Follow evacuation orders. Secure your home if you haven't already, and make sure you have an emergency kit ready. This should include food, water, medications, and any important documents. Remember to charge your phones and have backup power sources if possible. Stay safe, everyone. We'll continue to monitor Hurricane Milton closely and bring you updates as they come. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can stay informed on this developing situation. Our thoughts are with all of you in the path of this storm. Take care, and we'll see you in the next update.